Use the branch table editor to assign branch fittings when routing pipe in AutoCAD Plant 3D. The branch table assignments will determine the type of fitting the model uses when joining branch and header pipes. So if you're going to be assigning branch fittings to use in there, what you do is you identify all the branch fittings in a spec that you're going to need to use. And these fittings are going to appear as symbols in the branch table cells. They're going to be referenced in a legend of the branch table. If you notice on the right, you'll see the legend. And you can also edit this legend. You can add other branches. You can give them the names you want. You can choose whether you're going to use a reducer or not. And you can create the symbol here for the branch table legend, as well as add a name that coincides with the symbol. Okay, so what I have here is a section that overlaps here. And if I wanted to make sure that I had on there, I could create something that would fit there. Let's just go ahead and do like we're going to create one. So I'm going to say I'm going to add a branch, and I'm going to keep that as a T. If I don't want to use it as a T, I could use it as a piece of pipe, or I can use an OLED or a coupling. But for here, I'm going to go ahead and put a T in there. And I'm going to add this branch into here. So now you'll see that I have this. And I can either choose to go between 4 to 24 inches with the reducing, or I could just pick this one here as well. So if I go ahead and I apply that, now when I go here, if I want to add this in there, I can pick one of the T's that I have created. And as long as I don't get a red mark here, then that T is okay. Now if I want to add more than one thing in there, then that's when I'll use the multi-branch selector. And let's say that I want to also have a stub in here. So then I can go ahead and apply that. So now I can say I can put a T. I could also use this socket well T in there. And then maybe I want to move up the priority of that socket well T to be first. Then I can go ahead and apply that. I'll say OK, and as long as I don't have any red there, then that's going to work. That means now if I do get red, it probably means I don't have that available in my spec. And then all you have to do is go into your catalog, find you a part that you need to make that connection, add it to your spec, then you'll be able to put it in your branch table editor.